Fuse your everyday style with these shoes by Vintage Havana. They feature a leather and synthetic upper with a functional lace-up closure to give you a secure and custom fit, and a zipper closure on the inside for easy on and off. They have an all-over perforated design with some rhinestone embellishments at the side, giving you a trendy and unique look you'll want to show off this season. Inside, there is a textile and synthetic lining with cushioning around the collar to give your ankle support and a cushioned footbed to keep you comfortable all day. The lightweight midsole has a sturdy and durable build that's made to last, and it's all on top of a durable synthetic outsole that is textured to give you the best grip. Wear these with your favorite pair of skinny jeans.